The machine used PLC control system to enhance anti-interference ability. Infrared positioning cross-light helps to correct material's position on the cooling mode. Airbag inflation are necessary to make upper mode better wrapping effect. Allowed to produce 2 pairs of shoes at once. Firstly, turn on the PLC control system, then set the mold temperature and time. Secondly, when the real-time temperature reaches the scheduled temperature, put the material on the heating mode. Hot melt film in the material will be softened by the airbag and the heated aluminum mold. Thirdly, move the material to process airbag cooling molding. Create perfect shape for hot melt film. Finally, the molding procedure is complete.